Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change entire column by percent in Excel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Suppose you are in your Excel sheet and the column you want to increase by percent, it is the number, and select the column and copy it with Ctrl C. And once it is copied, head over to another column. Select the column all over and press Ctrl V, and the column is copied. Now all you have to do is select another cell and head over to the format option and select percentage. Now all you have to do is write the percentage you want to increase your column by. Suppose you want to increase your column by 50%, so you have to write 150 and click on enter. And again, select once you have done that and copy the cell you just have created with Ctrl C and head over to the entire column and select the entire column, right click on it and click on paste special. Here, change it to values. Once it is copied, right click on it, go to paste special. Here, click on values and change it to multiply and click OK. And yeah, your entire column is now changed by percentage in Excel. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.